Good day mga karelo. So today we are watch review again for Seiko watch. So let's unbox. So let's see what inside the box. So they have a double box here. Of course, they have catalog manuals here. So what inside here is the warranty card, the serial number, the date purchase, and then the place store who can the buy of this watch, certificate guarantee of Seiko. Okay, so let's start to review the watch. Let's open the box here. So as you can see, we have a Seiko chronograph here. Seiko chronograph 100 meters. So let's try and check. Okay, let's check the watch. So we can check. So no, we can check if they have a diver extension. So they have no diver extension for this watch. Of course, they have a for 100 water resistance, 100 meters water resistance. So maybe this watch is for swimming. Good, but not for diving. So let's check the watch. This watch is good as a new. They have a plastic on the bracelet. The tag here. Reference SNDA23P1. Water resistance 100. So Hardlex crystal. Let's try to view at the back the watch. Okay, and then try the function of the watch itself. Let's check the chronograph. Okay, so I think this is a second hand, the chronograph timer. Let's wait if the here is a chronograph per minute. Okay, so this have a two hand here. One is a big and then one is a smaller one. So this one I think consider per minute. So consider if they have one revolution, I think consider as a one hour, and then I think the smaller hand is consider per hour, and then this bigger hand is per minute. So this watch chronograph for 12 hours. And then let's check the other function. Let's stop the chronograph and then reset. Okay, as you can see, the moving of the chronograph. Okay, and then let's check. Oh, this watch is not a screw down crown, so maybe it's good for water is for 100 meters. First pull of the crown is adjust the date. Adjust the date. And then the second pull of the watch is adjust the time. As you can see here, we can adjust the time. And then let's check if they have a movement when I press here. Okay. Okay. Let's press again. Okay, this is how to reset the hand of the watch. Let's explore and then press again. Nothing happened. The same. Let's try to reset again in the middle. I think this for reset of the second hand of the chronograph. By the way, if you notice, when I pull the crown, the second hand of the hour timer is stop. Let's wait. Here, as you notice, when I pull stop the second hand. When I long press the bottom in the down position, nothing happened. Okay, as you can see, when you reset the chronograph into the original position, like for example, if the watch is a newly changed battery or dead battery and then you change again, so you can press here to reset again. So let's try to press again here. Okay. Okay. So this free select and then this to adjust. This is a free select and then adjust, and then the crown just pull to into position, pull 1 and 2 when you adjust, because sometimes if this watch is the battery is drained, you can change, but if the position of the hand is like this, so you can reset it to 0. So that's it. I think I discuss all for this watch review. So I hope you like this video. So guys, kindly please subscribe our channel for more review of more coming watch to our shop. So please like and share our video and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.